How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This right here is the Dot&Dot Twist Memory Foam Travel Pillow. Let me take it out. There's memory foam on the outside, it's soft to the touch, and there's a plastic skeleton right in the center, so you can twist it any way that you want, especially around your neck. So you just kind of fold it in like this. Now it works like a regular travel pillow. You can lean on it and sleep. Alternatively, you can unbuckle it, wrap it around your neck to keep it warm, flip it upwards if you're on a window seat, and now you have a pillow where you can brace yourself against a window. Because it's sort of bendable, you can even use it as sort of like a lumbar support wrapping around your back. You can also wrap it around your knees and use it as a leg pillow so your bones don't kind of hit against each other. Let me take this outer sleeve apart to show you what's inside. Right there. See, it's just a piece of memory foam. The internal bone structure ends right here, which is about 3 inches from the edge. On the other side, it's also about 3 inches. Internal structure is roughly 20 inches long. Let me cut into this. All right, so this is what you get. Kind of looks like a Joby where each of these pieces have a ball and it fits into the previous piece. On this end, we can see one of the balls over here. A little bit of memory foam stuck in here. Let me pull that out. I'm not sure if I can remove it after it's stuck on it. It's quite a bit of force to force these things into each other, and it's really hard to pull them apart. Maybe like that. Right there. Now it's really going to be hard to push them back in. Some pliers here. I was able to push it back in with these pliers here, just kind of at an angle. I'm not too sure if it's still usable after I cut into it. So let me just put that back in, put the sleeve back on. I think it's somewhat usable. The issue is if you bend it a certain way, for example, like this way, and you bend it out, then the internal structure might just kind of come out like that. However, if you're careful and you keep the zipper towards the bottom and you bend it this way, then it should behave normally and the internal structure won't pop out. But I probably don't recommend you to cut this up yourself. I cut it to show you guys. The memory foam feels very comfortable. If you put your head on it, I do not actually feel any of the skeleton inside, but if you squeeze it really hard with your hand, you can feel the skeleton. You're gonna do something like this and it won't bottom out. The internal structure is strong enough where you can actually mold it around your neck very tightly if you prefer it that way. And this makes it so that it's closer against your neck. Support-wise, it really depends where your head is gonna go when you nod off. If you go towards the middle, there's nothing to support your chin. So it's best that you rotate it a little bit so there's some material underneath your chin for you to nod off towards the front. For me, I usually tend towards one side or another. So I like to turn this slightly one way and have the entire length of this thing across my entire face, so it gives more support. If you lean back a little bit and you nod off to one side, it might look something like that. Works as intended, although I do think they can increase the cushioning towards the inside surface. So rather than having a circular cross section, it would kind of look like a D instead. I think that might actually work a little bit better. If you guys are interested in this Dot&Dot neck pillow, check out my affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.